Hi, and welcome to Human Integrated Performance. Today we are answering some of our clinic's most frequently asked questions. Today's questions is, what makes the pop sound at the chiropractor? Well, the answer is the crack or pop that you hear is the formation of gas within the joints. That crack is not indicative of a successful adjustment. The actual adjustment comes from putting the force through the joint, the high-velocity, low-amplitude adjustment, or force to the joint space. One issue some chiropractors have is chasing the pop, where they seek out the sound instead of going based on their physiological assessment. We hope that helps answer your question. For more FAQs, please visit yagip.com or subscribe to this YouTube channel.